So now we have a series of spectra in CcpN analysis metabolomics. We can think about renaming them into something a little bit more sensible. And to do that, we can double click on the item on the left-hand browser window and interactively rename appropriate to the study. And that renames both on the left-hand browser, and if we're in overlay mode, it also renames it here in the window. A quicker way to do this, if we hit the spacebar twice, we open the Python console window. And this is split into two, with the top half being the commands that have been interpreted from our clicks and keystrokes, and the bottom half being an interactive terminal where we can type such commands in ourselves. So strings appear in red, and we can edit those according to what we want, editing this spectrum 27-1 and renaming it hypoxic cell 13. And in this manner, you can rename both on the browser and the visualization window directly. You can go one step further and make a text file of all the commands you wish to employ and paste those in and in a high throughput manner we can rename all of the spectra in our stack.